Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you my home lab. Right over here is my 2015 model of the Raspberry Pi running a DNS server called Pi-hole. Over here, this is my Windows 11 computer, otherwise, well, it's a server, and it's a Dell PowerEdge T440 server, and the CPU is dual CPU, running at over 3 gigahertz. And it's got 128 gigabytes of RAM. The operating system is on a solid state drive. The hard drive has the LM Studio application. The FileZilla FTP server is running on the other hard drive. So in total there are 8 terabytes of hard drive space. I'm usually running OpenWebUI for the LM Studio server, and I'm using Jellyfin Media Server. I have showed you guys this video before about the ThinkCenter, and that's currently, again, I'm going to tell you again, that's got 6 terabytes of hard drive space. And people ask me, why am I using Windows and not Linux? That is because it is more simple. And I heard from my uncle that Linux is less secure than Windows because it's open source and they don't make that much money compared to Microsoft, apparently. So I don't know if that's the truth, but even if they don't make as much money as Microsoft, Microsoft is still pretty secure. It's got a good firewall. Now, when I had to install Windows 11 on the server, I had to bypass the what do you call it, the installation. And the reason why is because it says this computer's not compatible. Well, of course it's compatible. It's a 10-year-old server, but you know what? That's okay. It can totally run it. And then, so the other thing is it's got a 5 gigabyte of graphics card memory running the Quadro P2200. So let's go ahead and open WebUI. It's loading. Let's go ahead and give it a test. And right now I'm on my Alienware computer. Yes, it's an Alienware. Funny. It's still loading. Maybe if I quit some applications, it'll load a little bit quicker. And who needs OneDrive? Nobody needs that. Yes, we always want to quit it because we do not need a cloud as we have an FTP server. And the reason why I'm using an FTP server and not a NAS is because an FTP server for me is more simple. So here we are. We're using Google Gemma 4B or E4B. And let's go ahead and say hi. It's thinking. And right now I've got the AI downloaded on an external solid state drive. So next thing I'm going to be doing to the server is I'm going to install the solid state drive in the RAID so I don't have to, or the RAID card, so I don't have to wait as long. Yes, I have a Cloudflare domain name. And here we go. Hi there, how can I help you today? So, isn't that interesting? Alright, please rate, comment, share, and subscribe. Make your own home lab. Talk to you later.